Hi, my name is Larry Williams, and I'm going to be presenting my pulley project. And here's one example of what a pulley looks like, basically. Now I'm going to be telling you what a pulley is. So a pulley is a wheel and axle with a grooved rim around it, basically. And what pulleys do is basically make work easy. Next, I'm going to be showing you a few pictures of my flagpole project, which is also a pulley. Okay, here's my flagpole project, which was pretty easy. I just had to find the pieces, which was the difficult part. And basically what I had to do was look at an image out of a book and use it, and basically look at what I seen and build what I seen. Okay, this is my other project, which is the rotating zip line. And basically what I did with this was get a string and also look at what I seen on the book and build it. The only difficult part about this project, it was pretty easy, but it was just the line, making the line with it, making the line look sort of tight so it looked more like realistic. Okay. And here's the fun aspects about the project and how I enjoyed building the project. Okay, seeing how fast I could do it, I was sort of like challenging myself and seeing how fast I could do it. So basically I just was giving myself like a time limit, like 15 minutes in between or whatever. But it was pretty fun, and afterwards, I enjoyed playing with the project and seeing how it actually worked. Okay, here's the challenges I encountered during the project. Okay, finding the pieces. At first it was pretty hard, so I asked Mr. Lee, and he helped me around the class to find the pieces. Okay, and another challenging thing was picking the project, because I had many options. It was a big book, and I could do anything, so picking it was a little challenge because I didn't really know what I wanted to do, and understanding how to build it was challenging too, because it doesn't tell you put this piece beside this piece. It just gives you an image, and you have to basically have a 3D image of the project in your head. And how I dealt with those difficulties was I asked Mr. Lee for help with finding pieces. I also picked something that was entertaining, to build, something that I would have fun building. And it was also difficult because they only gave you a visual image on the paper. It wasn't 3D. It wasn't rotated around and took pictures of. It was just one picture, and you had to basically, like I said, make a 3D image in your head. Okay, and out of class connections was my last. So basically stuff that was out of class, as pulley wise, elevators, because they make several systems, that's pulley wise with elevators, in which it provides the lift system with both power and safety. Another thing, the machines you use, going to a gym, a fitness gym, which makes weightlifting safety more effective. And this concludes my project.